everyone! Today's video is a tutorial on how to accomplish your RPMS portfolio or the Result-Based Performance Management System. Let us start. For KRA1 or the Content Knowledge Pedagogy, there are 4 objectives under CRA1. Objective 1. Applied knowledge of content within and across curriculum teaching areas. Mode of verification or the documents that you need to attach is your COT or your Classroom Observation Tool. Your COT from your face-to-face teaching or your online teaching. You can also include your demonstration teaching via lab or your recorded video lesson. Objective 2. Use research-based knowledge and principles of teaching and learning to enhance professional practice. You need one lesson plan with annotation. Your annotation should explain how you use research-based knowledge and your principle in teaching on planning your lesson plan. Objective 3. Displayed proficient use of mother tongue, Filipino, and English to facilitate teaching and learning. For the attachment, you need your COT 1 and 2 just like yung nabanggit sa Objective 1. Objective 4. Use effective verbal and non-verbal classroom communication strategies to support learner understanding, participation, engagement, and achievement. So, ang MOV na kailangan dito ay COT 1 and 2 na pwedeng manggaling from your face-to-face teaching or online teaching. Pwede rin yung LAC demo or recorded video lesson. Next, we have the KRA2 or the Learning Environment. Objective 5. Establish safe and secure learning environment to enhance learning through the consistent implementation of policies, guidelines, and procedures. Again, the mode of verification is your COT 1 and 2. Next, we have Objective 6, Maintained learning environment that promote fairness, respect, and care to encourage learning. Mode of verification for this objective is again your COT 1 and 2. Next is Objective 7. Maintain learning environments that nurture and inspire learners to participate, cooperate, and collaborate in continued learning. Once again, the MOV needed is your COT 1 and 2. Then we have Objective 8, applied a range of successful strategies that maintain learning environments that motivate learners to work productively by assuming responsibility for their own learning. Once again, ang MOV na kailangan po dito is your COT 1 and 2. Then we have KRA3 or the Diversity of Learners, Curriculum and Planning, and Assessment and Reporting. Under this is Objective 9, Designed, Adapted, and Implemented teaching strategies that are responsive to learners with disabilities, gifts, and talents. Under this objective, we need again our COT for our MOV. Next, we have Objective 10, Adapted and Use Culturally Appropriate Teaching Strategies to Address the Needs of Learners from Indigenous Groups. Once again, we need our COT 1 and 2 as means of verification. Then we have Objective 11, adapted and implemented learning programs that ensure relevance and responsiveness to the needs of all learners. Ang MOVs na pwede nating i-attach dito ay proof of evaluation that you have implemented the adapted or contextualized learning program. For means of verification, pwede kayong gumamit ng proof of evaluation, progress report, accomplishment, or action plan na gumamit kayo ng contextualized learning program sa school. For Objective 12, the modes of verification na pwede nyo i-attach is your accomplishment report if you have conducted remedial or enhancement activities such as summer class, Phil-Erie reading program, and then pwede ring intervention material and lesson plan that shows that you have done remediation. So for your means of verification, you need your accomplishment report of a program or activity, a program project activity plan, minutes of consultative meeting, or communication letter about a program or a project that maintains a learning environment. Next is KRA4 or the Community Linkages and Professional Engagement and Personal Growth and Professional Development. So the mode of verification for this objective is an annotated video or video recording of your teaching, annotated teaching material like lesson plan, activity sheet, assessment material, personal reflection, and proof of attendance in your LAC sessions. Next is Objective 15. For the MOVs for Objective 15, you will need proof of participation in your involvement in school community, partnership just like certificate of committee member, narrative report, minutes of parent and teachers conference, communication letter about the implemented school policy and procedure. Next is Objective 16. Apply the personal philosophy of teaching that is learner-centered. So for the modes of verification, you will need one lesson plan with annotation that explains how you apply your learner-centered teaching philosophy, like constructivism, essentialism, etc. Still in KRA4, we have Objective 17. For your MOV, you can include documented feedback from your superior, colleagues, learners, or parents that you have uphold the dignity of teaching as a profession. Next, we have Objective 18. So, that is set professional development goals based on the Philippine Professional Standards for Teachers. For your MOV, you need to attach your IPCRF updated. Your MRF or your mid-year review form or certification from the ICT that you have been a coordinator, a focal person, or in charge of ESAT. And finally, we have KRA 5 or the plus factor, and our last objective is objective 19, perform various related works or activities that contribute to the teaching-learning process. The MOVs that you should attach is the committee involvement, advisorship of co-curricular activity, if you have authorship of book or journal, coordinatorship, chairpersonship, coaching or mentoring, serving as a reliever in class, mentoring pre-service teachers, participation in demonstration teaching, participation as technical working group, and others. You may specify and provide annotations. So those are the MOVs that we need to accomplish for our RPMS. Thank you and good luck, teachers!